So many people are being killed in a war. Why should he talk about war? The Shastras say, Sama Dana Bheda Danda. Krishna follows the Shastras to the core. Sama. Sama means peace talks. Let's discuss. Let's understand where the issue is. Let's not jump to conclusions. He goes, talks, peace talks, doesn't work. Then, Dana. So Krishna, he says, look, it's okay. We don't want war because it's going to be really lot of pain for everybody. Let's just give them 5 districts. Duryodhana says, no. 5 houses, Duryodhana. No. Forget 5 houses. 5 spaces equivalent to the tip of the needle I will not give. Closed the possibility of Dana. Krishna being Krishna. Krishnam Vande Jagadguru goes to Karna. Karna is a very important asset for Duryodhana. Because remember, a deluded mind will have attachment with somebody from where it gets its strength of being that way. So in a way, Karna was like his ego. Great warrior, trained by Parashurama himself. The same teacher who trained Bhishma goes to Karna, reveals to him, you're not Radheya Putra, you are Kunti Putra. Not only does he approach Karna, he also sends Kunti to approach Karna. Bheda, creating a moment of weakness in the opposite camp, creating rift. But Karna, being extremely indebted to Duryodhana, he felt he was a great warrior, but he was not getting the value for his existence. He said, no, I can't do this. I won't be able to do it. And therefore, the third possibility of Bheda is also gone. If you look at politics today, world politics, international politics, you will always see all of these reflected. Finally, it reaches a point of war. So, Samadana, Bheda, Danda. Finally, with no other way left, the war becomes inevitable. It is not that Krishna, the greatest mediator, did not try these options.